Hey everybody, I'm doing another late night update. This one here we want to document a little bit more on the 67 Chevelle. This is the 300. Yes, this is my very first car. We got it in here under the knife. We're cutting it up, fixing it. First thing first, that motor from where it's at, I think some of the old gas started sticking some of the intake valves, so we got something totally crazy what's going in here. We got a hydraulic roller, one-piece rear main seal block, 30 over, forged pistons, forged rods, forged crank going in it. I got a set of aluminum heads. We are going to run the cross ram intake on it, so it's going to be pretty wicked. So we got that. We got a rebuilt Power Glide. Harry's Transmissions hooked me up. We got a turbo 350 spline, input shaft, turbo 350. Stall converter, 3000 RPM. We did stick the Boss 338s on this car. We did disc brake conversion. We got a set of the eBay as of right now. Upper and lower control arms on it. I do need to get in here. There's a small bolt right in the back corner right there. I need to pop it out while I was trying to adjust the fender. Still need to do some, paint and body work to it, but the car's pretty decent. We did, once again, the drilled and slotted rotors. It does have the 14-inch, the very small brakes on it. I put the Boss 338s on it, hanging out there. We still got the 275s in the back, and there's our 275 40s. And it fits all. There's plenty of space. You see, it's probably right at an inch in there, on there. So we got that done. Now I did end up buying a brand new Sun-Tac, or the Bosch version of the old Sun, stick back in it, because the one that came out of this is now, by the way, in my 68 big block car. I got that all hooked up, seats and all. Still pretty clean here. Now hopefully what I'm gonna do is get the motor trans in it, break it in. I need to do floor pans in the car. The floor pans, the guy that done it before I had the car, they're just stuck in. They're kind of half welded all the way around. It just looks real bad. So I want to go in there and take my time, do it nice. This side also has a few waves in it. It's not awful. This would be a really nice driver. Got some brand new 68 Chevelle door panels. By the way, 68 blower project coming up. We got a 871 blower going to go in a 68 Chevelle, which is going to be kind of cool. So you're going to learn with me. I've never done a blower motor with that kind of blower on it, root style. But she's pretty nice. I went down here. We fixed up a little bit of what's going on here. You see there's a little bit of haze here. I need to come back in and use a little bit more fade out spray to see if I can't lean that out a little bit. But no big bubbles there anymore. Super obvious that it was wrong. Got the cow hood beside it. But I'm waiting on the engine to get it back, put it back together. We're going to go with the Elgin 480, 230 hydraulic roller. We're going to do the 1/6 ratio rockers. It should be pretty right. It should sound pretty good. It is geared 308. It's open rear end right now. We'll go through and fix that stuff too. We'll fix it later. I'm trying to come across a 12 bolt to stick under the car, but we're slowly piecing together. It won't be that much longer. And then hopefully after I do the floor pans, I will start buying new fenders for it, new deck lid, and then fix all the other stuff and actually do a full-on paint job on this one. Same exact color. I like it. But please, if you like my videos, stay tuned. Feel free to comment. We got a lot of stuff going on with this bad boy.